Now that we've finished managing categories, we're going to start adding records. To add a new record, click the Add Records button in the program's main menu. The Add Records form has 7 fields: the category name, the record name, username, password, email, website, and notes. The only required fields are the name of the category you want to add the record to, which can be selected from the drop-down box, and the name of the record itself, which would be something like Amazon, Facebook, or Twitter. Now we're going to add a sample record for the Option Software website. And once we're happy with the information that we've entered, we can click Add Record and confirm that we want to add the record. In order to view the records that we've added, we need to click the View Records button from the main menu. When we first load the View Records form, it shows all records in all categories. If you want to filter the records by category, simply select the category you want from the drop-down box, which is located above the list of records. You can view a record by selecting one of the records in the list or by using the navigation buttons. You can also search for records by typing in the name of the record you're looking for in the text field located above the Search Records button. This will return a list of records where the record name is either the same or similar to what you're looking for. You can also filter the records by category by selecting a name from the category's drop-down box. We cannot edit a record's information using the View Records form. If you want to make any changes to the information, then you will need to use the Edit Records form. You may have noticed a button View Website. Currently it is disabled as we have not added a website to this record. If we select a record that has a website specified, then we can click the View Website button, which will launch a website in your default browser. Currently we are viewing the Option Software website, www.optionsoftware.co.uk, in the browser Firefox. If you decide to edit a record, either because you made a mistake whilst adding a record or you need to change some of the information associated with the record, then you can do this by clicking the Edit Records button in the program's main menu. As you can see, the Edit Records form is very similar to the View Records form, and you navigate through the records in the same way. When editing a record, you can edit the category the record belongs to. To do this, select the category name from the drop-down list above the record's information. At this point, this feature is currently disabled. In order to enable it, we need to select the record we want to edit and click Edit Current. We can now edit the record. This includes changing the category the record belongs to. For now though, we're just going to correct one of the spelling mistakes we made earlier. Once we finish making the changes, we just need to click Submit Edit and then confirm the edit. We also want to edit one of the passwords associated with one of the records. To do this, we select the record, and as you can see, the text in the password field is hidden. We can change this by clicking the Show button, and then we can hide the text by clicking Hide. So now we're going to edit the record. Now that we've changed the password, we just need to submit the edit. We can also cancel the edit if we decide that we do not want to make the change, in which case the record will revert back to its original state before you began editing it. If we decide we no longer require a record, we can delete it using the Delete Records form. To do this, click Delete Records from the program's main menu. As you can see, all of the records are in a list. In order to delete a record, select the checkbox by the record that you want to delete. Once you finish selecting the records, click Delete Checked and confirm that you want to delete them. We won't delete any records at this point. If we want to select every record, then we click Check All. Clicking Uncheck All will clear the selection. We can also search for the record we want to delete by typing in the name of the record in the search text field. This will return a list of records where the name is either the same or similar to what you typed in the text field. Then if we click the Show All button, it will show the complete list of records. We can also filter the records by selecting the name of the category we want to filter them by in the categories drop down box. Now we have the list of records we want to delete. We're going to check them all and click Delete Checked and confirm that we want to delete them. Because we deleted all of the records, the Show All button is disabled. Then if we go back to the program's main menu, you can see that part of the interface are once again disabled apart from the Add Records button.